Hey guys, Figurecraft here, and today we're going to start work on issue 22 of Titanic. So I've got the glue I'm going to be using here. This is the Loctite Super Glue Ultra Gel Control. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. I just bought it. There we go. There's our super glue we're going to use. We got some toothpicks. We got our superstructure of the officers' quarters that we're going to start with. And we have our box right here. So we'll go ahead and we'll open up the box. And we'll get the first parts out that we need, which here is our little grid that they got all off of, and right here is my little baggie with all the window frames. So we'll need that. I'll set the rest of this stuff to the side for now. Hang on a minute here, I dropped that little baggie that came out that had the rubber band in it. We don't need to lose that. Okay, that dropped. We don't need to lose that thing. That's important. So I'll go ahead and I'll put this stuff back into the box for now, because we only need the windows. We're going to go ahead and go through our tweezers and pick out which tweezers that I think we need. Which I'm going to go with these right here. Which is ESD 17. They got a curve to them. So we got that. I got a little container here to put the windows. That way I don't lose them. Okay, first step. Take the photo etched plate with the windows and remove all the windows from the frame 22C using a sharp knife. When using a craft knife, always take great care and cut on a suitable surface, such as a cutting mat. Use a fine file or sandpaper to remove any small burrs where the windows were attached. Note, the windows are small and delicate. Work on a clear, clean surface and handle the parts carefully. Okay, let me just focus you back there. I read that page over here. Now I gotta read this, step 2. The Windows 22C have to be fitted to the superstructure 14G. Start on the starboard side and align 12 of the windows with the 12 openings, one at a time. Apply a little super glue to reseamed rim around each opening and stick each window in place. You may find this easier if you prop up part 14G so that the starboard side is horizontal. Note the orientation of the windows with the glazing bar near the top. Okay, so first I've got to pop out 12 windows. So let me get my little baggie here, and we got to get out 12 square windows. And to ensure I don't lose these, I'm going to put these 12 windows into this little container. So let me get my tweezers. and I'm going to pick out 12 windows. This is not the window bag. This is the, those are the metal pieces that I made that didn't work. Okay, we'll try. Again, you need 12 square windows first. Now this video is probably going to be in multiple parts because these windows are going to be a while to get in. Okay, there's one. There's two. And there's three. Four. Five. Six, 7, 8. And there's 9. 10. 11. And 12. There we go. 12 square windows are now gotten out of the baggie, so we'll close the baggie and we'll set the rest of the windows right there, and then we'll use the super glue to put it on the inside rim of the windows, and we're going to be using the Loctite power gel. We're going to start from on that, and it shows start from the front. I'm going to start from the back and work my way forward. So let me get this glue open. Let me look here and make sure it's open. Oh man, here we go. It's my first time using this stuff. I don't know how it works. Oh, okay. That twist is down. I guess it tightens it and opens it. Okay. Apparently this twist is down. This whole white piece twist is down. I didn't know that. Yeah, there it comes. Okay, this is the gel. That way we can have some control of where the glue goes. So, let me just focus you here. That way you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to put some gel into this window frame. Just like that. Then I'm going to get my tweezers and grab one of the little window frames. Oh, this is kind of scary to do. Man, this ain't gonna be easy. Which I wasn't expecting it to be easy. Get one of those on my hand. Come on. At this rate, the glue's gonna dry. Okay, I got one. Let me see if I can get it on the tweezers. Okay. I got one. Just gotta work it into the spot where it goes. And just like that. This is gonna take a while, y'all. That is absolutely hard to do. But that's one end. Hopefully it stays. Let me get another window out and ready before I even apply glue to the next one, because this is proving to be a pain. I'll put a window there. So let me get some more power gel onto the toothpick that I'm using. Try not to get a lot, just a bit. And I'll try to apply the gel into the window frame again. One side. And then again, the other side. Now that I got that, I will try to get the window and just grab it into place. Hang on a minute here, y'all. I had to pull the window up a bit. Okay. And with that, we have two in place. This ain't fun. Now we got to get another window. Oh, come on. Yeah, I think next time I'm going to keep them in the bag. They're easier to get out of the bag than they were this thing. Oh, Lord have mercy. There. There's one. Okay. Third window. I'm not going to look forward to doing a lot of these little windows all over this ship. So, we got our glue. You just got to apply it to the inner part of the rim. like so. Work on getting our window on the tweezers, like so. Try to get it positioned, and then push it in, making sure that it's squared up. Crap, it's on my finger. Hang on a minute. It's stuck to me. It's the only bad thing about super glue. And make sure it's got a firm grip in there. I'm sorry I'm not getting it in camera much, but this is one of them where you have to literally hold it up to you to see what you're doing. There's 3 in. And if you're wondering, I do have glass behind mine, but mine's like this plastic that I super glued in there. I don't know if you can see that or not. I super glued a whole strip of plastic in behind the windows. And I'll show you right here right fast what that is. That's this stuff. Let me get up here right fast and I'll focus you. It's transparency film. It's just basically cut off in a long strip and glued behind inside the superstructure to create glass. But that's how I did that. I'm going to try using my toothpick to pick one out. That's not going to work. I got it. I knew it had to have a bit of super glue on it. Somewhere on that toothpick. Okay. We'll work on that 4th one. So once again, get some super glue onto the toothpick and apply it to the rim of the window frame on both sides. And then we take our window frame and then we insert the window frame into the window, making sure that it's all squared up and it's the right way in, and then we push it in there. Just like so. Now we have 4 windows in. Yeah, you can see this is taking a bit of time. So now we'll get out our next window frame, set it down on the book, and get it ready to go. Taking our Loctite power gel, getting just a bit. I'm sorry if that's not focusing. Oh, come on. It's so small it can't focus on it. But anyway, there's a dip on the toothpick. So put some there. Put some here. Get it all on there. Make sure it's on there good. Okay. Now we'll take the next window, and then we'll go ahead and we'll insert this one. Into place. Just like that. Making sure the glazing bar is at top. I'm going to go look over this window and make sure it's in there securely, because I don't want my windows falling out. Yeah, that one's in there securely. Okay. Next one. Get the window. Set it down here on the book. Get the Loctite power gel. Get some on my toothpick. And then we'll be going over the inner frame of the window again. Now, if any of you all haven't came to this step yet, when you come to this step of putting window frames in, small window frames, it is tedious. I won't lie to you, it is tedious. But we'll get it. Alright. Got our next window frame. Get it in position. Once it's in position, we'll just press it in. And then we'll do a little thorough check to make sure it's attached by just taking the tweezers, barely trying to pull. It doesn't feel like it's given, so it's in there. And now we have that many window frames done. We have these to go right here, and then we have the other side to go. So yeah, fun. Alright, next window. Get it onto the book. Get the Loctite power gel. I learned about the Loctite power gel from a YouTuber that I watched called Building with the Boys. And he uses Loctite power gel. I found the Loctite power gel at my Walmart. They were stacked with it. It was in the aisle where they keep the paints for the, like if you were to paint in the inside of a house or a car, you know, like the paints where you pick out your tiles for your floor and all that to your house. It's in that aisle at Walmart. Is where I found mine. But if you have the Walmart app, you can just type in the stuff, Loctite super glue, ultra gel control, and then it should tell you on your website what aisle they keep it in. That's what I had to do to find mine. I know every Walmart's different. And there's another window in. And you can see with these window frames going in, it's really bringing this thing to life. You'll notice that my lifeboats aren't on the deck yet. That's because I have not put them on yet, and I don't plan on putting them on for a long time. Like I said, I'm waiting to see if I can get a hold of some replacement lifeboats. Now we'll go ahead and we'll get our next window. Put it down here on the book. Get some more Loctite power gel. Okay. And we'll be going to our next window. And put the gel control on both sides of the window frame. Once we got that, we'll get our window frame, and then we'll pop it in place. Like so. Oh, I think when I get one side on, we'll take us a break, and then we'll do a second part video. But yeah, this ain't going to be able to be done in one go. We're already at like almost 30 minutes of video, and I know when my phone hits 30 minutes of video, it times out and then it starts recording another video. So right at 30 minutes, we'll probably be on a second part. So, same thing, get the toothpick, put some Ultra Gel Control super glue in here, over here too. Make sure I get enough in there. Now we have to get a window, which I should have already done, but I got ahead of myself. That's okay, I can just use the super glue that's on there and grip the window. Let me just grab it with the tweezers. And then we'll insert the window into the recess. Try to press it over a bit. Hang on a minute here. This one's going in crooked on me a bit, so I gotta straighten it up. Make sure that it's nice and squared up. Okay, there's another one. We have 3 more to go on this side. So to make sure I don't do the same mistake like I did last time, let me go ahead and grab a window out and set it down. And then we'll do our next window. So get some more gel control glue. And then apply the gel. Sorry. There you go. Apply the gel to both sides of the window. And then we'll take the tweezers again. Grab the window and insert it into the channel. And then start to press in place. Just like that. You can see there, we're looking good. Do our little test to make sure that it gripped good. Yeah, that's gripped good. That ain't going nowhere. Do it to all windows. Make sure they're in there good. You don't want them to fall out. Yeah, they're in there good so far. We have 2 more to go. So, we'll grab another window out of the thing with my toothpick. Set it down on the book. And then we'll use the Loctite Power Gel. About that much on. And then we'll do this window right here. And I'm sorry it lost focus again. There. Same just as last time. Make sure the glue gets into both sides. Like that. And then we'll use the tweezers to grab our next window, if I can get a hold of it. Okay, there we go. And then we'll insert the next window. Just like that. Make sure to press it in there.